Um, Clark, after 11 birthdays, 11 Christmases, 11 New Years, here we are. Starting to count wedding anniversaries.
Evening birds of spring, the swaying willow trees makes me feel
First time magkasal.
near.
To my dearest Vivian, today, I stand before you not just as the person I was, but as the person you've helped me before. From the moment we met, you've been my greatest adventure and my safest home.
We could build a song, carve our names in the stones while we're here. When we go, I am yours. Don't you know we're in stone?
Good luck sa iyong wedding today. Basta, humble yourself. At mahalin mo si Vivi hanggang forever and ever. Ng pagmamahal na ibinibigay ni Lord sa iyo. And I will teach you anak.
Where you are.
Clark, tinatanggap mo bang maging asawa si Vivian upang mamuhay kayong magkasama ayon sa kautusan ng Diyos? Siya ba ay iyong iibigin, aaliwin, igagalang at pangangalagaan sa kanyang karamdaman o kalusugan?
Opo, Father.
Tita Debbie, tinatanggap mo bang maging asawa si Tito Clark upang mamuhay kayong magkasama ayon sa kautusan ng Diyos? At iiwanan mo po ba ang lahat at tanging siya lamang ang pakikisamahan habang kapwa kayo nabubuhay? Okay, Tita Debbie, you may now kiss your husband. Wait lang.
Today, I give you not only my hand, but also my heart, and I promise that I'm yours hanggang sa dapit hapon ng ating buhay. I'm glad that we have unlocked a new chapter in our lives. Thank you for 11 years as being my partner in crime. Kulang ang isang araw para pasalamatan si Lord dahil nakilala kita.
There's a fire deep in us all. It's a fire burning out of our control. Already decided, no running and hiding. Still feel the same.
Ano? Walang iiyak.
We're in the same ship.
Somewhere ako, right?
We wore these holes in one step after the other. So we take another and another.
Natagalan man, no regrets. The journey was beautiful. I can't promise anything grand, but one thing is for sure, I will love you. I will love you straightforwardly, without complexities or pride. I love you because I know no other way than this.
Kung ipapanganak man ulit tayo, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang hahanapin at pipiliin ko.